High Alert Operation. US Air Force deploys stealth bombers for strategic deterrence patrol. In modern defense strategy, readiness is measured not only by strength, but by how quickly that strength can move. Before sunrise, under tight security and controlled silence, activity begins at one of the United States Air Force's most strategic air bases. Floodlights cut through the early morning haze. Security patrols sweep the perimeter. Access points locked down. Personnel move with quiet urgency across the tarmac. A high alert operation is underway. Inside reinforced hangars, one of the most advanced instruments of airpower prepares to move. The stealth bomber, designed for long-range precision missions and survivability in contested airspace, this aircraft represents a core pillar of strategic deterrence. Its presence alone can shift the balance of regional security. Massive hangar doors begin to open. Hydraulic systems hum as reinforced panels slide apart. Light spills into the shadows, revealing the angular silhouette of a low-observable bomber resting inside. Ground crews take their positions. Tow vehicles align carefully with the aircraft's landing gear. Guidance marshals signal with illuminated battens. Every movement is deliberate. Every inch matters. Slowly, the aircraft rolls forward. Steel meets concrete as the bomber emerges into open air, its radar-evading design reflecting the first light of day. Wide wings stretch across the apron. Its smooth, contoured surface absorbs the glow of the runway lights. This is precision engineering in motion. Around the aircraft, maintenance teams begin final preparation procedures. Technicians spread across designated stations, each responsible for a critical system. Panel inspections begin along the fuselage. Diagnostic scanners glide across composite surfaces. Data feeds stream into rugged tablets, verifying structural integrity and system readiness. Landing gear assemblies undergo detailed checks. Hydraulic lines are inspected. Fasteners are tightened to exact specifications. Nothing is rushed, because reliability is built on discipline. Fuel teams move into position beneath strict safety protocols. Heavy hoses connect to refueling ports. Thousands of gallons transfer steadily, powering missions that span continents. Nearby, weapons specialists prepare internal payload systems. The bomber's weapons bay doors open with mechanical precision, revealing carefully organized internal compartments. Training munitions are secured. Release mechanisms are tested. Electronic interfaces are verified. All systems must function flawlessly. Avionics crews inspect sensor arrays and communications equipment. Navigation systems align with global positioning networks. Secure data links connect the aircraft to command infrastructure across the world. This is more than preparation. This is synchronization between machine and mission. As ground operations continue, aircrews assemble for mission briefings inside a secure operations center. Large digital displays illuminate the room. Strategic maps highlight patrol corridors and operational zones. Weather systems, airspace restrictions, and contingency routes are reviewed in detail. Mission planners outline objectives. Pilots study flight paths. Commanders emphasize protocols. Every scenario is considered. Every response rehearsed. Because strategic deterrence depends on flawless execution. Minutes later, the aircrew steps onto the tarmac. Flight suits secured, helmets in hand, focused and composed. They walk toward the aircraft with quiet confidence. Professionals trained for precision under pressure. Access ladders lock into place. One by one, crew members climb into the cockpit. Canopies lower. Seals engage. Inside, instrument panels power on. Digital displays flicker to life across the flight deck. Navigation systems initialize. Engine diagnostics scroll through readiness checks. Control surfaces respond to system tests. Flaps adjust. Rudders shift. Flight computers calibrate in real time. Outside, ground marshals conduct final visual confirmations. Wheel chocks are removed. Safety pins disengaged. Clearance signals given. Then, the engines awaken. Low-frequency vibrations ripple across the runway as power systems engage. Heat distortion shimmers behind exhaust vents. The aircraft begins to move under its own force. Taxi procedures commence. Guided by precise hand signals, the stealth bomber rolls steadily toward the active runway. Support vehicles trail at safe distances. Control tower personnel monitor every movement. From above, the scale becomes clear, a strategic asset in motion, backed by layers of coordination. At runway threshold, the aircraft pauses. Final clearance granted. Power increases. Acceleration begins. Within seconds, speed builds across reinforced concrete. The nose lifts smoothly. Wheels leave the earth. The aircraft climbs into open sky. Landing gear retracts. The runway falls away. The mission transitions from preparation to presence. High above cloud cover, the bomber settles into cruise altitude. Its low observable profile blends into the atmosphere, designed to operate with minimal detection across vast distances. This is strategic reach without borders. Long-endurance patrol routes reinforce stability across sensitive regions. The aircraft's presence signals readiness, capability, and commitment to defense partnerships. Below, command centers track progress in real time. Secure communication networks maintain constant connection. Satellite systems relay telemetry across continents. From airbase to global airspace, coordination remains unbroken. Strategic deterrence is not about escalation. It is about prevention through preparedness.